Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to place your fingers on the keys of a piano. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have this piano, and essentially I see a lot of people when they start playing, they place their fingers on the keys very high up. And that is because they want to sort of use these upper keys to guide them with regards to their lower keys over here. They want to use the black keys up here to guide them with regards to the white keys down here. And that's not how you put your keys on the notes. You put your fingers on the notes. I apologize. You put your fingers on the keys. The keys are these. The notes are sort of what you hear and what you play. So that's not how you put your fingers on the keys of the piano. You don't want to use the upper black keys over here to guide your fingers on the lower white keys down here. So what you want to essentially do is you want to take your fingers and you want to place them where they need to be, okay? Now, if you look over here, my fingers are curled. I'm not going like this. I'm not going my fingers straight. That's not what you do. You curve them a little bit. And the reason is that basically it allows you to play more comfortably, because if you were to play like this, it would be not comfortable after a while. It allows you to be more comfortable, and it sort of evens out your fingers. You see, your fingers are all different lengths. When you curve them, they all become a similar length. So when I curve them, they're all touching the keys at a very similar place. If I was to put them straight, they're all touching the keys at very different places. But when I curve them, they touch the keys at a similar place, okay? If you're going wider, you kind of got to go like this. Like let's say I'm playing an octave. That you're going to go, basically you're going to touch the edges of the notes like that, because you don't want to touch anything between. If you're playing like a chord or something, still curved fingers, but you can raise some fingers up. And if you're playing just, sequential, curved. So that's basically it. Curve the fingers, not flat, not straight, little bit of a curve, and you can allow yourself to put your fingers on the keys properly. It's that simple and straightforward. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video tutorial, and I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.